In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cursor AI to GitHub. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your coding workflow, allowing Cursor AI, an advanced AI code editor, to connect seamlessly with your GitHub repositories. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, linking these two platforms will facilitate a smoother coding experience. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Cursor, the AI code editor. You can do this by typing the URL directly or searching for Cursor AI code editor online. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if it's your first time here. You can see various options and tools that Cursor offers, which you might explore later on. Next, you'll want to focus on making the integration. Click on your dashboard, a central hub where you can manage your projects and settings. Look for an option labeled Integrations. This section is where you can connect various third-party services to enhance Cursor's functionalities, such as linking to your GitHub account. Upon entering the Integrations tab, you should notice a button labeled Connect. Clicking this button is your gateway to begin the linking process. It brings up an authorization page where Cursor requests permission to access your GitHub data. It's important to note that this step will not give Cursor access to any of your sensitive information unless explicitly allowed by you, so you can proceed with ease. Now you'll be redirected to the GitHub login page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your GitHub username or email address. Make sure you type in your details carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your username, you'll need to type in your password. As always, ensure that your password is secure to protect your GitHub account. After entering your login details, click the Login button. At this point, GitHub might ask for additional verification, such as a code sent to your email or mobile device, depending on your security settings. This is an excellent feature for keeping your account secure, so make sure to have access to your verification method. With your credentials confirmed, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection between Cursor AI and GitHub. By clicking Authorize, you're allowing these two platforms to communicate with each other. This action enables Cursor AI to access your repositories, pull requests, and other coding data as needed within its functionality. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Cursor AI to your GitHub account. This setup enables you to enjoy the benefits of AI-powered coding assistance directly linked with your version control repository. Feel free to explore more features that this integration offers and keep enhancing your coding experience. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.